Hey, 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 ladies and gentlemen, you got your girl Sabrina right here, and look at this view. Look at this view, guys. Let me let Facebook do its thing. But guys, yes, I'm super excited. I'm here in Miami. Getting ready to do a MyEcon event, guys. Getting ready to share the rules of the money game. And so I am excited. Hi, Yvonne. How are you? Hi, Keisha. How are you? How are you? But yes, so I'm here in Miami. I'm getting ready to do this MyEcon event. And so I just want to jump on really quick to tell you guys that you better believe it. You better believe that you can be and have all of your dreams and goals, guys, all right? And so thank you, Keisha. And so I'm just excited to just be right here where I am right now. I have so much gratitude in my heart because it wasn't too long ago that I was hoping and wishing I could, have a view like this. It wasn't too long ago that I was hoping and wishing that I could go travel and do all the things that I wanted to do that without asking permission, right? Some of us have to ask permission from our husbands, ask permissions from our job, ask permission, right, from family members, ask permissions. But when you got your own money, you believe in yourself, baby, you can be and have your heart's desire, okay? And so, yeah. Thank you, Yvonne. This view is so amazing. This gonna bring my video team. Come on, Keisha. Come on, come on. But yes, it's about to go down in about 4 more hours. It's about to go down, guys. And so if I were you, if you're looking for a way to increase your credit scores, if you are looking for a way to learn some investment strategies, if you're looking for a way to manage your money better, to multiply your money, you better get in, because what is about to happen today, right now, while I'm in Miami, you're going to literally lose your mind, all right? You're going to lose your mind if you don't go ahead and say yes and get, hello, Gwen. Gwen, I'm in your city, girl. I'm in your city. Gwen, we got to catch up while I'm in your city. I'm in Miami. So, guys, let me tell you something. If you have less than an 800 credit score, if you don't have your money working for you, right, you need the information that I am going to be sharing tonight. But since you're not here, you can get in today before the floodgates of heaven open up. The floodgates of heaven. Hey, Angela. The floodgates of heaven is about to open up, guys. I love you too, Gwen, and I miss you so much. I miss Team Created for Greatness. Yes, because we are created for greatness, right? We're definitely created for greatness. And so I'm excited, guys. I'm excited to be in Miami. I'm excited to be sharing with people, average people, how they can earn an additional $200 to $800 without even asking their boss. I'm showing real average people how to become multimillionaires by using strategies, right? Money is all about strategies. It's not about how much money you make. It's about how much money you know how to manage and multiply for yourself. And it takes strategy, all right? It takes. Thank you so much, Keisha. Yes, y'all got to click that link that Keisha just put in the box. Go ahead and get in now at www.diysmartcredit.com. Go ahead and get in, because the floodgates is about to happen. It's about to happen. And so I was able to pay my house off, my mortgage, in 7 months, right? I bought my house 7 years ago. Why wasn't I able to do it 7 years ago? I wasn't broke 7 years ago, right? I was still earning $20,000 and $30,000 a month, but I was literally, my lifestyle caught up with my income. I was making more money and spending more money, but using strategies, minimizing my taxes, right? Eliminating certain credit card debt, right? shot my credit score up, allowed me to pay my mortgage off, guys, and I am living my best life. And I'm here in Miami, get ready to show a lot of people how to do the same thing that I did, and I want you to get in first, right? You're not here in Miami, so you got to get in first. Click that link that's in the comment box, DIYSmartCredit.com. All right, go there. Right now, the price is normally $100. It's right now, I'm giving it away to the people that's watching me right now. Matter of fact, I'm going to give it to the people who want to like and share this video. Like and share this video, and I'm going to give it to you for $19.95. Less than $20. But you got to like and share this video. Keisha, Tangi, Sherrod, Lisa, y'all share this video. Sherika, share this video. I got it for 20 bucks. Angel, 20 bucks, $19.95. You guys can get it. So I'm going to see who all share the video. And the ones that share the video, I'm going to send you a link that you can get it for $19.95. All right, the floodgates of prosperity is about to open. All right, the floodgates of prosperity are about to open. All right, and so my name is Sabrina Wright, and I am your profit accelerator. All right, I'm gonna help you get some money real quick, but you gotta go to that income in the box. All right, in my comment box right now. Listen, guys, I have a motto, and my motto is you deserve to win. God created you to win. Nothing that he created to fail, right? Because his name is on the line. If he created you, he wanted you to win. He wanted you to be prosperous. Because if not, then guess what? God is not the man who he say he is. And because we know that he is almighty, that he is the way maker and a promise keeper, and he promised to make you the head and not the tail, right? He promised to make you the lender and not the borrower, right? He promised, right, that you can have life and have it more abundantly, right? Those are the promises of God. And so if those are the promises of God, then you got to live up to it, baby. You got to get in alignment with it, right? Because it is God who give us the power to gain wealth. And what is that power by? Knowledge. If you don't have knowledge, you're going to work by the sweat of your brow, okay? And that's biblical too. That's in the Bible. Go Google that, all right? You will work by the sweat of your brow. People have to work so hard because they do not have the right knowledge that's going to allow them to multiply their income. And so in return, they think they're going to outwork their bad habits. They think they're going to go out here and outwork and make $1 million. But if you spending $1 million and you have not learned how to put your money somewhere to where it makes money for you, if you haven't learned these investment strategies that we have, then you are going to continue to work by the sweat of your brow. You're going to be a 60, 70, 80-year-old person, right? You may become a greeter at Walmart. We don't know, right? You may be the cashier at Chick-fil-A, right? We don't know. But we do know you will not have, right? You will not have a retirement plan. We know that you will not have money in your old age if you don't do what you're supposed to do right now. And then you'll look up and think your children is your backup plan. But your children are not your backup plan. You are not your children's responsibility. It's your responsibility to make sure your children have a legacy. Not your children's responsibility to make sure that you have a legacy, but you supposed to make sure that your children have a legacy. And then when you can't take care of yourself, now your child is an adult and they feel bad. You have put all that burden on them because you didn't even teach them how to become successful, right? And so if your grandmama was broke and you broke and your children broke, then how is the generations going to change? And so you have to be responsible for generations to come, all right? Once you learn, then your children gonna learn, and then your children gonna learn, and then we have a generation, right, of wealthy people. But if you don't learn, friends, you are setting your children up for failure, all right? And so that's all I got to say. So get that link in the comment box, and remember, you deserve to win. Like and share this video, guys. Bye-bye now.